Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to install an Invery Bluetooth device to an Audi Q7, and I believe it'll also work with Audi's VWs that have got the MMI system. This is a 2011 Audi Q7. The system at the moment lets me connect to Bluetooth with my phone, but it's just for calls and messages and that kind of thing. For media, I've bought this device here, which is an Invery AirDual Bluetooth adapter, and it works for iPhones and also Android phones. The first step is to open the glove compartment with this button here. As you can see, it's now opened. Now what I'm going to do is plug this end of the wire, the MMI end, into this socket here. Now you may find that you already have a wire plugged in. Mine already has a wire, you can see here, plugged in with an iPhone end. But if you don't want to physically plug in your device, this will allow you to connect with Bluetooth wirelessly. So I'm first going to disconnect the existing wire. As you can see, it's that way around. So I'm going to get the wire ready the same way. There you go, it's now plugged in, as you can see. So you'll see there's a little red light and the blue light is flashing. By default, the device is in the off position. So to turn it on, you just slide the switch there. And then the next step is on the device you want to connect with, is turn on Bluetooth. So this is a Android phone, so I'm going to turn on Bluetooth like so, and then we should see an option for Invery. There we go. It's now pairing. As if we want to pair it, we say pair. Okay. As you can see, we're now connected. So on the car, then what you want to do is click on media. And as you can see, it's already gone to Invery there. So on this, just press this in to select it. I'm just going to press this button now, and it's going to select it. Okay, and then on the phone, I'm going to go to Spotify and start playing. As you can see, it works well. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.